Why would mock be adding underscore underscore non-zero underscore underscore method calls? I've got a bit of code that makes a call to a series of methods on each item in a collection, and each method returns a Boolean value indicating success equals true / failure equals false. And here's my unit test example. Actual calls. Call.foo12 call.foo. Underscore non-zero underscore. Note, this unit test fails because it's seeing the underscore non-zero underscore method calls. Question: why is it adding the non-zero method calls? Clarification: I'm using mock, which is included in slib as of Python 3.3.
Short answer. If your mocked function does not have an explicit return underscore value or side underscore effect that returns, you will see this as Python attempts to evaluate the truthiness of your mock. Ensure your mock has 1. Either initialize it with 1 or add 1 in. Explanation. When you do if not x column, you are probably thinking if x is false. Python doesn't actually do this, it does if bool x is false. This is Python's truthiness concept, that values evaluate to true or false, and bool x is actually a call to x dot underscore non-zero underscore or x dot underscore bool underscore in 3.x. This is to provide Python's nice if behavior. When you do if column, a lot of languages would treat any object as true, but Python is designed to make code readable, so it delegates and a lists underscore non-zero underscore method will return false if it is empty. This allows for more code that reads more naturally and explains why you will see these calls.
Non c'è